Hey guys, we received this PlandRichW birthday wrapping paper. It's a 4 mini rolls with a 17 inch by 180 inches for test and try. So this can be used for the kids, boys or girls, or for the colorful happy birthday wrapping or the letters design or anywhere you want. So it comes in a nice small box with these four different rolls of different sizes. So this also comes with a gift stickers that you can put on top of your pack to and from with the happy birthday written on it. So it's a nice thing. It's a complete set then. Just use your tape to put in or wrap a gift box. So now the paper quality and the printing is nice. Is a bright colors on the top and looks really attractive. And four different rolls of all four different colors and themes. So you can see a vibrant color and the printing and also a nice gift paper rolls that you can use on the gifts. So like the balloons or the papers are really nice design, a set of total four rolls and which can easily be used for your birthday gift wrapping.